We have 44 million paid in users at 23-24, 1.426 billions in prior years, which was submitted to the National Treasury Paid in Bills Verification Committee for review. Other pertinent issues affecting the MDAs in the attainment of its performance target, just that we need more support. For instance, the operations and maintenance in the headquarters requires an addition of 350 million. This one notably is for provision of personnel emoluments, which does not include that 2 million for recruitment of technical officers. Chair, in our registrar's office, we just have 2 officers. We are hiring more in the Department for Sports. We are hiring more. We have been granted permission by National Treasury. We have projected some 350 million for us to facilitate the national team's participation in international championships, which, if not provided, will hurt Kenya's performance and medal prospects on global scale, and also limit the opportunities for emerging athletes to gain international exposures.